Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Eileen A. Alejandra from Surigao del Sur, Philippines. I am 35 years old. I am a high school graduate. My parents, they are both seniors, and I have 4 siblings, 1 brother and 3 sisters. I am married. My husband is a fish vendor. We have 4 loving children, 3 boys and 1 girl. My firstborn is boy, 15 years old, this coming August. He is a grade 10. My second son, 13 years old, he is a grade 8. My third son, 10 years old, he is also in grade 5. And the last one is my youngest daughter. She is 8 years old, this coming August also, and now she is in grade 3. And I have experience as a helper last 2020 to 2023 at Manila, Philippines. I take good care of 1 family, 2 adults and 2 children. They are 3 years old and 1 year old. I take good care of them, and I always make sure they are safe, and especially their parent is not around. I love and care them like my own kids. And I also do household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and ironing. And as of my personalities, I am a happy person. I consider myself trustworthy, hardworking, and responsible. I am also kind and very patient, especially dealing to the kids. And now I decided to apply in Hong Kong to help my husband to support our needs for our kids and family future. I really love to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a very nice country, and Hong Kong is one of the most safety country. And I know people there in Hong Kong is loving, kind, and hospitable, and also high salary. To my ma'am and sir, to my future employer, if you will hire me, I will do my best, my duties and responsibilities. I am willing to learn more things, and I will obey your rules and regulation in your house. To my future host family, I hope you will give me a chance to serve, to be part of your family. Looking forward to meet you soon. Thank you and God bless.